Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. If your Windows 10 is joined to a domain and you cannot add Windows Hello pin, this video will show you how to fix it. First, I will show you how this problem occurs and then I will share you how to fix it or the solution. So let's get started. So this is a Windows 10 Pro system and it is joined to domain. And if I go to settings, app, accounts section and go to sign in options, while trying to add a Windows Hello pin, you can see that the add option is grayed out and there is a message something went wrong. Try again later. Due to this add option is grayed out, I cannot click it and set up the Windows Hello pin on this system. And if I go to access work or school, you can see that this system is connected to domain. If I disconnect this system from domain, I can easily set up a Windows Hello pin, but when the system is connected to domain, this problem exists. So here is the solution to this problem. You need to try this solution by signing as a administrator account on your system. If you cannot do that, you need to ask your IT admin to follow these steps for you. We have to first open administrative command prompt. And in the command prompt window, you have to simply paste this code which I have provided in this video description. You can simply copy the code and paste it in the command prompt window and press the enter key. As you can see that the operation completed successfully. This means the registry entry we are trying to add with this code has been added successfully to the registry. Now all you need to do is restart the system. After restarting the system, the policy changes we have made should be in effect. So after rebooting the machine, I am on the login screen and I will again try to log in to the domain account. After signing in, I will open settings app and go to accounts section, and in the sign in options I will see if I can add a Windows Hello pin now. So as you can see that the error is not here and the add button is now clickable, so I can easily click on it and set up a Windows Hello pin. For setting up the Windows Hello pin, I have to first verify my identity using the password. Then I will try to set up a pin. As this system is connected to a domain, the 4-digit pin will no longer work and you have to create a pin that must be at least 6 character long. This is because the pin complexity is enabled on a system connected to domain. So finally, I have added my pin. As you can see that there are change and remove options to manage this pin. So the pin has been added successfully and the system is still connected to domain. In this way, the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.